going to give you a food review of Cheema Chattha. It's a very popular restaurant in Punjab, in northern Punjab. They are famous for their organic foods, for their desi foods. Desi means local cuisine, and they claim that all their foods are organic and very tasty. So, I'll give you a detailed review of the foods at Cheema Chattha, F-11 Markaz, Islamabad. So let's go. Since Cheema Chattha is famous for desi dishes, organic dishes, that's why we have ordered Chicken Karahi and Rogni Naans. And after that, we'll have Kashmiri Chai, which is a very famous chai in this part of the world. It's pink and it's got nuts, pistachios and almonds. So we've already placed the order. We are waiting for it. Let's see what comes out of it. I'm going to try it with Rogni Naan. Let's see. Naans are very fresh, very hot. The curry is spicy and they put good amount of chicken pieces, and it's good. In fact, it's very good. I like it, very tasty. Kadai tasted very good in the beginning, but I think it's average. The meat was not properly done, and I'll give it a 6 out of 10. But the baked bread, what we call is naan was very good, and the achar was outstanding. But Karahi was okay. It was okay, nothing extraordinary for a name like Cheema Chattha. Now we are waiting for Kashmiri Chai, pink tea. Wait for the review. This is Kashmiri Chai, and it's very popular in the northern areas of Pakistan, especially in Kashmir region. It's sweet, and dry fruits are added to it. These are crushed dry fruits. So I'll give you the review. Excellent. Kashmiri tea is excellent. It's very good. We were billed for rupees 1028, which was most appropriate. Okay, keeping in view the name and reputation of Cheema Chattha, it's not expensive at all. Overall experience of Cheema Chattha was okay. I would give 6 out of 10 for Chicken Karahi and 9 out of 10 for Kashmiri tea. The baked bread, naan as we call it here, and the pickles were excellent. Cleanliness was okay. Service was okay. Overall it was good. It's situated in F-11 Markaz of Islamabad.